What if being amazing at your job doesn't guarantee business success? This chef learned the hard way why skills alone aren't enough. In this video, we'll see how Oliver goes from the misfortune of being an employee to living the life of his dreams as an entrepreneur. But wait, he'll encounter harsh realities he should have taken into account when starting out. Welcome to Walk to Money, Walking to Success. Meet Oliver, a talented chef at Tokyo Garden, a premium Japanese restaurant. Every night, customers specifically requested dishes prepared by Oliver's hands. His signature ramen bowls sold out before 9 p.m. every evening. Food critics wrote glowing reviews, always mentioning Oliver by name. The restaurant's revenue doubled since Oliver joined the kitchen team. Oliver noticed his boss driving luxury cars while paying minimum wages. Late nights outside the kitchen, Oliver dreamed of owning his place. He watched customers leave disappointed when he wasn't working that day. Oliver realized he was the main reason people visited Tokyo Garden. His culinary skills were generating thousands, but he saw some hundreds. The math seemed simple. Great chef equals successful restaurant owner. After 2 years of making others rich, Oliver made his decision. He submitted his resignation letter on a busy Friday. His boss panicked, offering raises and promotions to keep him. But Oliver's mind was set on building his own empire. He found a small location in the trendy downtown district. Oliver invested his life savings into equipment and restaurant renovation. The kitchen setup was perfect, every tool exactly where he wanted. He designed a menu featuring his most popular signature dishes. Opening day was scheduled for exactly 3 months after quitting. Oliver felt confident that success was simply a matter of time. Oliver's kitchen opened with a line around the block. Food bloggers raved about the authentic flavors and perfect presentation. Within weeks, reservations were booked solid for the next month. But Oliver quickly realized cooking wasn't his only responsibility anymore. Hiring waitstaff meant conducting interviews, checking references, and scheduling shifts. Suppliers needed payments on time, orders placed weekly, and quality inspections. Health inspectors arrived unannounced, requiring detailed documentation and cleanliness standards. Oliver spent more time on paperwork than in his beloved kitchen. Employee training took hours away from recipe development and food preparation. Some tasks could be delegated, but others demanded his personal attention. The business license renewal process confused him with endless bureaucratic requirements. Oliver hired an assistant manager to handle basic daily operations. This helped with scheduling, but bigger challenges were still approaching fast. Monthly sales reports showed impressive revenue numbers that made Oliver proud. However, he had no idea if those numbers meant actual profit. Oliver treated the business bank account like his personal wallet. He mixed personal expenses with business purchases without tracking anything. Rent, utilities, supplies, and wages were paid randomly from available cash. No budget existed, no financial planning, no separation of business funds. Employee payroll became a monthly guessing game with no consistent system. Oliver hired friends without contracts, paying them based on his mood. Some workers showed up late, others took long breaks. Productivity suffered. Without clear rules, the kitchen atmosphere became chaotic and unprofessional. Tax season arrived like a nightmare Oliver never saw coming before. He had no receipts, no organized records, no understanding of deductions. The accountant asked for documentation that simply didn't exist anywhere. Oliver owed thousands in taxes he never calculated or saved for. Credit cards maxed out, paying unexpected government bills and penalty fees. Meanwhile, the restaurant stayed busy with customers praising the incredible food. Oliver felt successful watching full tables every single night. After exactly 1 year, Oliver sat down with an actual accountant. Revenue numbers looked amazing. The restaurant had generated significant income. But after calculating expenses, taxes, and poor financial decisions, reality hit. Oliver's kitchen was operating at a devastating loss despite popularity. Great cooking skills couldn't save a business from terrible money management. Oliver learned that being excellent at your craft isn't enough alone. Business success requires completely different skills than technical expertise. Before starting any business, you must, first, learn about taxes. It will save you high fines. Second, learn about budgeting and business financial administration. Organizing your finances in a business is everything. You know if you're winning or losing. Third, get advice about employee management. Your employees are the ones who will guide your business path to success. Fourth, always keep learning about new trends in business. Your talent is crucial, but business knowledge determines if you'll survive. Don't make the same mistakes as Oliver and follow us for more entrepreneurship content. This is Walk to Money. Subscribe, share it, and hit the bell button for notifications. See you soon.